carrot tomato casserole. One of the tastiest of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the steamed rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes. We're going to make cumin carrot tomato rice casserole. Around 100 grams of carrot, 2 large tomatoes cut into pieces, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. Saute. Garlic sauté mix. Put in the garlic seeds. Sauce the garlic pieces. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly sauteing this. See, salt, thoroughly. Put in the carrot pieces. Salt the carrot piece with the cumin. Put in the tomato piece. Salt the tomato piece. With the rest of the mixture. Salt it is. Salt thoroughly. Mix. A spoon of chili powder. And a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Salt and mix thoroughly. And let it cook. Pour in 2 cups of water and let the mixture boil. Cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the casserole. Put in some curry leaves as garnish. Mix. Now the cumin, carrot, tomato rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin, carrot, tomato rice casserole or cumin, carrot, tomato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the wild rice recipes and one of the most different of the steamed rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.